Your front door is more than just an entry point to your home. It's a barrier against the elements, a safeguard for your security, and an important part of your home's curb appeal. Over time, though, even the sturdiest doors can begin to show signs of wear. When these signs start to appear, it's crucial to recognize them and consider replacing your door before further damage occurs. Here are some common signs that it may be time to replace your front door. Visible damage or wear are one of the most obvious signs that you need a new door is visible physical damage. Whether it's large cracks, deep scratches, or a warped frame, these issues can weaken the door's structural integrity and appearance. Over time, exposure to harsh weather conditions like rain, snow, and extreme temperatures can cause doors made of wood or metal to warp, crack, or dent. These types of damage not only affect the look of your home but can also compromise the door's functionality, making it harder to open or close securely. Drafts and air leaks. If you notice cold drafts or hot air sneaking through your front door, it's a sign that the door's seal has worn out. Gaps around the edges of the door, particularly in older models, can allow air to pass through, affecting the overall comfort of your home. Leaky doors can also result in higher energy bills, as your heating and cooling systems work harder to maintain a consistent temperature. Replacing your front door with one that has better insulation or an updated seal can help regulate the temperature inside your home and improve energy efficiency. Difficulty opening or closing. If your front door becomes difficult to open or close, it's not just a minor inconvenience, it's a red flag. Doors that stick or jam may be caused by shifting or settling of your home's foundation, or by warping of the door itself. This issue is often compounded by age and can be a sign that the door has reached the end of its lifespan. Not only can a door that's hard to operate be frustrating, but it can also be a safety concern in the event of an emergency. Replacing the door will restore smooth operation and ensure that you have easy access when you need it most. Rust or corrosion. For homeowners with metal doors, rust and corrosion are common issues. Exposure to moisture, especially in areas with high humidity or rainfall, can cause the metal to corrode over time. Rust can weaken the door and cause it to deteriorate, making it less secure and potentially allowing for easier break-ins. In some cases, rust can be sanded and treated, but if the damage is extensive, it's usually more cost-effective and safer to replace the door entirely. Security concerns. Your front door is one of the primary barriers protecting your home from intruders, so if it's compromised, your security is at risk. Look for signs that your door's lock mechanism is faulty or that the door itself is no longer solid and secure. If the door is thin, damaged, or has weak locking hardware, it may be time for an upgrade. Replacing your door with a sturdier, more secure option, such as one made from reinforced steel or fiberglass, can provide better protection and peace of mind. Outdated appearance. While functional issues are the most important reason to replace your front door, outdated design can also be a compelling factor. A door that no longer fits with your home's aesthetic can make your property look dated. If you're looking to enhance your home's curb appeal, a new front door can completely transform the exterior of your home. Whether you're looking for a sleek modern look or a classic, traditional style, replacing your door can add an instant boost to the overall appearance of your home. Increased maintenance. If you find yourself constantly needing to patch up your door or repaint it due to peeling, fading, or other wear, it may be time for a replacement. Wood doors, in particular, can require significant maintenance to keep them looking their best, especially if they're exposed to harsh weather. If your door needs frequent repairs or refinishing, it may be more cost-effective to invest in a new door that requires less upkeep. Conclusion. Your front door plays a key role in your home's security, comfort, and curb appeal. If you notice any of the signs mentioned above, it's a good idea to start considering a replacement. A new door not only provides enhanced protection and energy efficiency but can also boost your home's visual appeal. Whether you're dealing with damage, drafts, or security concerns, replacing your front door is a worthwhile investment that will improve the look and feel of your home for years to come.